Patuloy pa rin ang laban natin sa COVID-19. And together, we can beat the solusyon.
B. Bawal walang mask.
I. Isanitize sa mga kamay. Iwas hawak sa mga bagay.
D. Dumistansya ng 1 metro.
A. Alamin ang totoong impormasyon tungkol sa COVID-19.
Protektahan natin ang sarili at mga mahal sa buhay.
BIDA, be the solusyon sa COVID-19.
May dagdag na paraan laban sa COVID-19. Together, we can be the Solution Plus. Bida Plus sa maayos na daloy ng hangin. Bida Plus sa maikling pisikal na interaksyon. Bida Plus sa pagsuporta sa bakuna. Bida Plus sa mga kwento ng kaligtasan sa Bida Barangay. Sa dagdag na pag-iingat, maraming buhay ang maliligtas. Bida Solusyon Plus laban sa COVID-19.
Ladies and gentlemen, the VNG National High School faculty and staff. Communities come together, made a difference, face adversities with perseverance and resilience. We may be distant, but today we are together in spirit, gathered to celebrate achievements and success. With the theme K-12 graduates, pursuing dreams and fostering resilience in the face of adversity, welcome. Dear graduates, parents, stakeholders, faculty, and distinguished guests, to the VNG National High School, Senior High School, Class of 2022, Virtual Commencement Exercises. From wherever you are viewing, please stand for an invocation, the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, and the Tacloban City Division Hymn.
Do not let your hearts be troubled. Do not say afraid. It is really I whom you see. I offer you now my peace. I have waited for this moment to be with you again. In my heart you remain. In your heart I'll say, I am with you till the end of your days. I am in you. Have faith that I hold you even when you let go. And I love you, you must know. I am here, I am ever with you. Do not let your hearts be troubled. Do not say afraid. I'm beyond all anguish or death. I'm risen to life in you. When you feel that you've been emptied and can give no more, know that I am your breath and I feel your soul. I am with you till the end of your days. I am in you. Have faith that I hold you even when you let go. And I love you, you must know.
Opening remarks. Gwyneth Nicole C. Bardelas, with high honors.
My fellow graduates, parents, faculty, and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant day to all of you. It is my honor today to welcome you all to the VNG National High School Senior High School Class of 2022 Virtual Commencement Exercises. Your efforts to witness us in this significant day of our lives, whether live or replayed, with data or Wi-Fi, your presence is greatly appreciated. We'd also like to express our gratitude to the VNG National High School faculty and administrators who are present today. Your dedication to VNG National High School and love for teaching has provided us with a superb educational experience. Thank you for motivating us and helping us reach the finish line. Rowling once said, "It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default." So remember not only your triumphs, but also your failures, and learn from them. Finally, I'd like to thank each and every one of my classmates. You are my support system, my home away from home, and I cannot picture my senior high school experience with another group of people. What feels like the end is often the beginning, and so, let the new adventures begin.
Presentation of graduates. Mrs. Jeneline L. Andrade, School Principal.
Dr. Marisa S. Magan, the school's division superintendent, I have the honor to present to you 2 males and 15 females of General Academic Strand, 22 males and 2 females of TVL Industrial Arts Strand, and 12 males and 12 females of TVL Home Economics Strand, a total of 36 males and 29 females, with a total of 65 candidates for graduation of the senior high school year 2021-2022. By virtue vested on me as the school principal of VNG National High School, I hereby declare that they have satisfactorily completed the curriculum for senior high school prescribed by the Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines.
Confirmation of graduates. Mrs. Filieta Juaniwan, OIC Public Schools District Supervisor.
By the authority vested on me by the Department of Education as the representative of Dr. Marisa S. Magan, the Schools Division Superintendent, I, Filieta Juaniwan, the DLC 9 Public Schools District Supervisor, for having presented and duly signified by the school principal that they have completed the necessary requirements prescribed by the department after the K-12 basic curriculum. I now confirm you, senior high school graduates of school year 2021-2022, congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, the class of 2022 graduates. Academic track, General Academic Strand, Grade 12 Harvard. J. Mark Pasalo Boco. Eduardo Junior Cabanatan. Luis Alzed Rivera Albao, with honors. Jaisel Abing Ando, with honors. Jeremy Bea Riva Anos. Maria Rita Madel Angelia Cabil, with honors. Ritz Fuentes Corbete, with honors. Erica Gabunaro Daza, with honors. Maria Alexa Fabricante with honors. April Joy Francisco. Miriam Amistoso Grado with honors. Patricia Lynn Peñalosa Lauron with honors. Rica Mingote. Erica Caindoy Ovilia. Maria Reynalyn Ranyen. Carmelita Cunha Reboso with honors. Mia Calake Villafranca with honors. Technical, Vocational and Livelihood Track Industrial Arts Strand, Grade 12 Oxford. John Edsel Maceda Aquin. Nino Gagatiga Amascual. Jake Dalwatan Bolito. Jess Fajardo Brazos. Christopher Petilia Buar. Clement Clyde Malquez Capile. Gerald Arsenio Conde. Janity Kumbis Kular. John Patrick Insigne de la Riva. Jansen Aison de Los Angeles. John Mark Torrejos Hinaot. Christian Domingo Lamoste with honors. Tristan Jules Advento Limpiado. Jude Tangpuz Navarrete. Mark Edison Gakuma Pasalo. Allen Amodia Prostrero. J. Anthony Romero. Christian Cudero Samson. Clifford Clyde Mahayahay Sumuog. Neil Joseph Berzosa Sunier. Matthew Casador Ikoy. Sean Kevin Yepes Zapanta. Therese Jean Ariza Negradas. Erica Salas. Technical, Vocational and Livelihood Track, Home Economics Strand, Grade 12 Juilliard. Julian Andre Avorque Asidre. Archel Roquinho Bacate. Algin Vibas Bagilod. John Ian Espina Cortavista. Denrick Refuerzo Orgong. Prime Rio Peros Pacal. Raven J. Panilawon. Errol Aurelianeda Pianco with honors. Nicole Fred Ponferrada Portula with honors. L. John Aguilion Salaysay with honors. Moses Jr. Boctoracion Saligumba. Rimwell Itak with honors. Lovely Rose Ablay. Janice Aribe Anohan with honors. Gwyneth Nicole Cabrigas Bardelas with high honors. Christine May Brizo Caindoy. Jamaica Rose Cudera. Marjorie M. Eco. Laika Chavaria Elihida with honors. Rose Marie Estupin. Darlene Davia Fabella. Rica Raloso Upong. Shanen Daban Peralta. Darlene Kabuhat Saison with high honors. Academic Excellence Award is given to learners who have attained 90 and above general average. Grade 12 Harvard. Louise Alzette Rivera Albao with honors. Jaisel Abing Ando with honors. Maria Rita Madel Angelia Cabil with honors. Ritz Fuentes Corbete with honors. Rica Gabunar Daza with honors. Maria Alexa Fabricante with honors. Miriam Amistoso Grado with honors. Patricia Lane Peñalosa Lauron with honors. Carmelita Cunha Riboso with honors. Mia Calake Villafranca with honors. Grade 12 Oxford. Christian Domingo Lamoste with honors. Grade 12 Juilliard. Errol Aurelianeda Pianco with honors. Nicole Fred Ponferrada Portula with honors. L. John Aguilion Salaysay with honors. Rimwell Itak with honors. Janice Aribe Anohan with honors. Laika Chavaria Elihida with honors. Gwyneth Nicole Cabrigas Bardelas with high honors. Darlene Kabuhat Saison with high honors. National Certificate 2 Passers. Cookery Qualification, TVL Home Economics Strand. Archel Ruquinho Bacate, NC2 Passer. John Ian Espina Cortavista, NC2 Passer. Errol Aurelianeda Pianco, NC2 Passer. Nicole Fred Ponferrada Portula, NC2 Passer. L. John Aguilion Salaysay, NC2 Passer. Moses Junior Boctoracion Saligumba, NC2 Passer. Rimwell Itak, NC2 Passer. Janice Aribe Anohan, NC2 Passer. Gwyneth Nicole Cabrigas Bardelas, NC2 Passer. Laika Chavaria Elihida, NC2 Passer. Rica Raloso Upong, NC2 Passer. Darlene Kabuhat Saison, NC2 Passer. VNG NHS Drum and Lyre Corps Band Service Award. Johnson Ison de Los Angeles, Grade 12 Oxford. Neil Joseph Verzosa Sonier, Grade 12 Oxford. Nicole Fred Ponferrada Portula, Grade 12 Juilliard. Awards and recognitions. Mia Calake Villafranca, Grade 12 Harvard, YMCA Leadership Awardee. Janice Aribe Anohan, First Place Winner, Division Bayani Lookalike Contest, Senior High School category, with Teacher Coach Mr. Deo Amante. Nicole Fred Ponferrada Portula, Best Video Travel Vlog, Division Social Studies Month, with Teacher Coach Mr. Deo B. Amante. L. John Aguilion Salaysay, Grade 12 Juilliard, Second Place Winner, World AIDS Day Advocacy Video Making Contest, with Teacher Coach Mr. Cyrus Deo B. Amante. Janice Aribe Anohan, Grade 12 Juilliard, Second Place Winner, World AIDS Day Advocacy Video Making Contest, with Teacher Coach Mr. Cyrus Deo B. Amante. Congratulatory message from Evelyn R. Vitalpero, CISO 4, Regional Director.
Congratulations, Batch 2022 Senior High School graduates. Your battle for your future has just begun. The more than 2 years of struggle against a global health crisis has been one of the toughest, yet the most rewarding years we have had. This year has presented numerous challenges above and beyond those that the education sector typically provides. Despite it all, you have all persevered and proven yourselves through hard work, dedication to your own education, and support of your family and loved ones. You have worked hard to finish your basic education. It has been an honor to see you grow personally while pursuing your basic education. Thank you for giving DepEd the opportunity to be part of your journey. This year's theme, K-12 graduates, pursuing dreams and fostering resilience in the face of adversity, resonates the truth that no pandemic could stop us from achieving greatness. Your graduation is a huge step toward achieving your dreams. Your basic education is your foundation of lifelong learning, and that there is always an opportunity to improve your knowledge and skills. The road you will traverse is full of peaks and valleys. Challenges are inevitable, but I am certain that you will overcome them all. With your graduation today, you have proven that no pandemic could break your dreams and that you are invincible no matter what life throws at you. I am so proud of you. To the partners and our dear teachers, you have done a great job in preparing the future of our Filipino learners despite the unprecedented challenges brought about by the current health crisis. Dear graduates, you have come this far, worked hard, and achieved your goal. Now, go out there and make your mark as you either continue your tertiary education or pursue a career. I can't wait to see where life will take you next. Wherever it is, our prayers will go with you. Again, my warmest congratulations.
Words of gratitude. Darlene C. Saison, with high honors.
To our beloved principal, Mrs. Jeneline L. Andrade, our respected and hardworking teachers, our ever-supportive parents and families, my fellow graduating students here at VNG National High School, Batch 2022, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a good day to us all. I am honored to be here and share with you a few words of gratefulness, reflections, and of encouragement. Before I proceed, I would like to express my deepest and sincerest gratitude for those people who believed in me. To my family, especially to my brother and sister-in-law, thank you for the support, guidance, and lessons you have taught me throughout my journey. To my friends who helped and motivated me during hard times, to someone who gave me courage and never failed to remind me that I could do the things that I thought I couldn't. I would also like to extend my gratefulness and appreciation to my teachers who gave me the opportunity to explore, learn, and reflect on the circumstances I have experienced. It wouldn't be possible for me to be here without them. It was 2019 when we experienced downfall due to the pandemic. Classes were suspended, lockdowns, and loss of supplies, but it doesn't end there. We must continue to live for ourselves and for our families. Education. As we accept and adjust to the new learning system, I know that it was hard for us, students, as we encountered challenging situations during the pandemic. It was hard to cope up with all our emotions because most of us students experience mental health problems and lack motivation. We could turn these changes as a lesson to prepare us for taking the college life. Despite of all the challenges we have faced, we were able to surpass it. Today, we celebrate as we continue our journey in achieving our goals to the new chapter of our lives. It was memorable senior high school year as we students learn, develop, and grow. We have all worked hard not only to learn, but also to survive in this crisis. As we prepare for the journey with new challenge that awaits us, I am hands off and proud that we made it. All the efforts and hard work that we put in has finally brought us to unlocking our younger self's dream. Let us take this moment to appreciate our younger self and thanking our grown-up self for a job well done. Hug your parents, guardian, grandparents, and your friends. Express your sincerest thank yous for believing and supporting you. We are not halfway to the life we are dreaming of, but one thing is for sure, we can make it. Let us all keep chasing for our dreams, achieve our goals, and keep working hard. Everything will pay off. Thank you very much and God bless all.
into this dark and lonely hole. There was no one there to care about me anymore, and I needed a way to climb and grab a hold of the edge. You were sitting there holding a rope, and we'll go up, 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 but I'll fly a little higher. Go up in the clouds because the view's a little nicer up here, my dear. It won't be long now, it won't be long now. When we get back on the land, well, I'll never get my chance. Be ready to live and it'll be ripped right out of my hands. And maybe someday we'll take a little ride. We'll go up, 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 and everything will be just fine. We'll go up, 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 but I'll fly a little higher. Go up in the clouds because the view's a little nicer up here, my dear. It won't be long now, it won't be long now. If only I had a little bit more time. If only I had a little bit more time with you. We could go up, up, up and take that little ride. We'll sit there holding hands and everything will be just right. And maybe someday I'll see you again. We'll float up in the clouds and we'll never see the end. And we'll go up, 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 but I'll fly a little higher. Go up in the clouds because the view's a little nicer up here.